Good afternoon. We here. We here. We are here. Yes, just now making its way back above 94. What up, Eric? Making its way back above 94 there. So what old Mancini's got to say. Is the 94 reclaim still a key level? Esvin, what up? 63.94, target number 2. Watch for the failed breakdown in the morning low, 63.75. We swept it. Boom. Recovered. Okay. Nice. Let's get over to the old 1 minute chart. As you can see, the target was smashed. I mean, I did enter it, and I held it for an hour through all this BS, and then right before that news, I mean, literally a minute before the tips auction, she gone. She gone. It did it. It did it without me. We knew it was going to happen. We knew that target was a bueno target. We knew it. What do we have for giveaways? I don't know. We got an Apex account we can give away. You want a free account but you miss being here? Nah, you didn't. If you did, I would have gave it to you. I would have gave it to you, brother. I would have gave it to you. Let me go through here. I gotta do some things. That was a, what was that? Little wick there on that one. Why is it showing a wick on this chart? I don't see it on this chart. It's a little weird. A little bit of a weird one there. Showbit took it. Yeah, I should have. I definitely should have left it on, but we didn't. It's all right. I mean, at the end of the day, you know, it's not that big a deal. Max barking already. All right, making sure I don't have that on. Okay. Little 50 EMA touch potential here. Potential. Potential. $64.10. Let's see. Target's given 83.94. 64.10. 34 would be bonus. I mean, do we have another? I mean, honestly, we kind of have another 5-minute short setup here. I don't like this one as well as I like the one this morning, but it's not bad. Little 5-minute short setup. What up, Paul? How you doing? Alexi managed to drag one of your accounts from $80 left to $800. Let's go. Another chance to blow it. Let's try not to blow it. Try not to blow it. I mean, if we break structure on the 5-minute again, I'll attempt the short, but got a lot of consolidation in there. That little zone. Don't know if we run lower into the close or do we continue higher. Let me look at the 15-minute here. I think we're just trading inside a 15-minute gap. Yeah, we are. So bearish Harami here on the 15-minute chart. Bearish Harami. Bearish Harami. Three minutes left on this 5-minute candle. 198, kind of the first target there. We break structure, I'll enter the short. We'll take one off at 198 if we can get it. Actually, we take one off at like 200. And then the next target like 179. See if they bring it back down into close. Who knows? We'll see. They might not. Good afternoon, Veridades. Thank you. Harami Bashar, let me show you. It's one on the 15-minute chart. It's not one on the 5. So a Harami is a candle that wicks above the high of the mother candle, and then the body closes back inside of the body of the previous candle. Typically, I don't really use the 15-minute chart, but so your target would kind of really be like, your first target would be like 220, to be honest. 220 would be your first target. Kind of deal there. Think you still wants to go a bit higher? I don't know, maybe. I mean, it's hard to know here. We're trying to break structure here on the 5-minute. ES back below the 90 here, so maybe some lower prices. I don't know. Still holding the level down on the 5-minute or the 15-minute there. So we'll just kind of see what happens. $50 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. Needs to really close down there below 230. Kind of needs to close before below 230 there. Closes below 230. I expect a little bit of lower prices again. First target's kind of like 220 area. $20 seconds here. Let's see how it closes. I'm going to enter the short if it closes. And we are breaking structure, so I'm in short here. I'm going to take one off at 220. And I'm going to try to get a little runner going for the push down. Try to get a little runner going. So 220.75 is my first take profit. $220.75. Oof. It just blew on it. It's a... Oh. Oh, shoot. I knocked over my drink. I'm in pretty heavy here, so. How did it not take me out of that? Really one-ticked my take profit there. That's rude. Finboy Poker? Yeah, we'll be there. We'll be there for poker. I do got baseball practice until 8 tonight, so it'll be after that. Hold on. Hey, there's target number 1 smashed. Target number 2, the 200. 5-minute break of structure. We're in it here. I am just on a sim here, guys. Just on a sim account. I am in over here on one of my evals, but that's on Trade-Evate. I only went in with 1 mini on my eval. I'm going to take it off at 200. I'm going to move the stop to break even below 10. I actually got a better entry on my eval. I'm in 235. 235. All right, here we go. ES approaching that 86. I may just kill my eval trade at 86 once ES hits it here. Come on. All right, I'm going to take that one off right there. Still got one account in over here. I actually got this account back to green just now. That's nice. So I got this account back to green, up $152. Little struggle on that account right there today. Holding up at the 220s kind of got me scared, but let me see if the ES kind of broke structure on that 5-minute too. It did. Yeah, ES did too. We don't necessarily have that liquidity lower like we had earlier though. Unless the ES did not. Oh, it didn't. I didn't. Wait. Did it? Yeah, no, the ES never took that out. 63.63. Is that from yesterday? It is. So ES never took out the previous day low there. I guess we still have the low down there too, huh? Exclamation point cash if you want to enter the giveaway. Look for the run back down here. Actually, 203, 202.75. I'm going to move that to there. I'll move that to there. Let's see what happens. Anybody that was on here earlier, you see that ended up playing out, right? We outlined it. We took it. We took it for, I mean, we made money on the trade. We did make money on the trade here. This was the trade earlier. You can see entry here on this account. Took 10 points, but 152 was the level that we were targeting. 1 minute before that bond auction, it smashed. You knew it was going to do that. It just waited. 1 minute before that bond auction, it smashed. Guys, I will be on My Funded Futures TV tomorrow from 10:30 to 11:30. So 10:30 to 11:30 tomorrow, I'll be on My Funded Futures TV. I'm going to reach out to them today and see if we can't do something special for you guys. I don't know if they will allow it, but I'm going to ask. I'm going to ask. And I'm going to ask right now. Where are my peeps at? There they are. Replacing Ash, yes, for tomorrow, just for tomorrow. Let's go. Come on, push it down. Get below the 10s here. I'm asking, guys. I'm asking. Hey, if you don't ask, you don't know, right? Up 550. Let's go. Inside days are not your best days. He is near. He is near. He is. This is true. Very, very true. And for that reason, I think I'm going to take one off. So I'm just down to one here. Looking for the run. Where do I have my target at? I mean, I don't know that we run back to 119. I think I got this wick here, 179. Yeah, that's my target. So I did ask for something special for you guys for tomorrow while I'm on My Funny Futures TV. Whether or not they give it to me, I have no idea. I don't know. They could just tell me to go pound sand. But I'm asking. I'm asking. I feel like with the deals and stuff they had going on yesterday with the 20K subscribers, I think that we kind of missed out on that. So, you know, if I'm coming on tomorrow, 10:30 a.m. Eastern to 11:30 a.m. See if we can't get a deal going. Special mentioning. Yeah, Lexi. No, I'm asking for them to do something with my code for tomorrow. We'll see if they'll do it. Give you guys a bigger discount. That's what I'm asking. They could just say, get the F out of here. So, is it a message from Terry? A massage from Terry? No. No, Jonathan. No. They gave a ton of free accounts. Yeah. Well, Bob, they gave me 5 to give away, which, you know, whatever. I like that. But I'd like to have a little something extra. A little something extra for you guys. We'll ask. That's all we can do. I ask. We'll see if they say yay or nay. Yay or nay. Exactly, Alexi. Alexi's putting down when I'm picking up. No, wait. Picking up when I'm putting down. Hey, I didn't hurt to ask, right? I can just say no. I mean, that's all I can say. We made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sales today on Take Profit Trader. We have to continue that pace. So we need 5 a day in order to reach the goal by next Thursday. So, dun, 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 dun. He was on, what was he on, Bob? So we're currently at 12,000 in sales, basically. So we need 30 more account sales to get to the goal. 30 more account sales. All right, here we go, guys. We got the, let me slide this over so you guys can see it. I keep forgetting. There we go. A month ago, Bob. Nice. Back up to 250, Jonathan. I hope not. I'm short. I'm still short of my eval. I'm looking for 179. I've only got one account left. I'm already at break even in the eval. This is a sim, guys. This is a sim. This is sim. I'm still in a trade Jonathan up here on this eval. Trying to pass it one trade. I actually don't even need, I think I need 196 to pass it. 196? Let me do the quick math. Yeah, 196 should do it. I do have the stop in at break even. I'm short from 35. Only reason I'm not showing that one, not that I'm hiding anything from you guys, but it is from a prop firm that I haven't really mentioned yet. So I don't even have them on my list right now. So I'm going to try to pass it in the background and get a payout. And that way I can tell you guys about it then. See if we get paid. And we'll go from there. Inside bar is pretty simple, Alexi. You're just looking for... You're looking on the 5-minute chart. Is this the 5-minute? Basically, you're looking for a... what chart am I on over here? Am I on the 1 minute? Yeah, this is the 5-minute. So where was the first inside bar at this morning? So you're looking for a... Where was the inside bar? Oh, right here. So you're looking for the mother candle, which is right here. You see this green candle here at 9:35 on the 5-minute chart. Its high and its low is higher and lower than this bar here. This bar stayed inside the high and the low. So the first one of the day on the 5-minute, you take the break, whichever way it breaks. So you can see here, it broke to the short side and went down 60, basically 60 points. And you can either take the take profit at a 1-to-1, which today would have been 41 point stop for a 41 point take profit. What I do is I just take 20 points and I have a 30 point stop. So, Bob, I'm typically just using one contract. That's it, typically. What up, Pine Tree? Fed one of my accounts to Stats to AI. It said Apex takes about 30% in fees. Will he be pleased? Is there Mad Moxie? I didn't know that. What is it called, Mad Moxie? I'll look it up. Do you know what it's called? We do have the murder bot here in like 30 seconds. So keep that in mind. Again, my stop is at 35 on the other account. I might get stopped out. It tells you not to use Apex. Oh, it's called Inside Bar. All right, I'll look at that. I did not know that. Inside buy or inside buy? I don't know which. Well, the bearish and the bullish color can't be the same. There we go, a little push down. We'll make bearish purple, bullish white. There we go. I didn't know that. Look at there. Boom! It shows it to us. I like that. Thank you, Mad Moxie. You know everything. Mad Moxie knows everything about Quantower. Nice. So there it is. It marked out the inside bar. I actually should make the... I should probably make... Let's change it. Let's make them the same color because we don't really care if they're bearish or bullish. That is cool. I didn't know that. Mad Moxie knows everything there is to know about Quantower. Agua funded? No, it's not. I can't tell you about it. No, it's built in, Alexi. I literally just picked it. So that's cool, though. That will help me recognize that. I might get stopped out here on this other account. I'll let this one go. I mean, obviously, it's just a sim, but Dun, 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 dun. Pine Tree, I'm going to be on My Funded Futures TV tomorrow, 10:30 a.m. to 11:30. I asked for them to give me a special deal. We'll see what they say. By the way, Pine Tree, what's up with your Discord messaging? I cannot add you to a chat. I was trying to add you to a chat with the person that we talked about earlier, and you're the only person in my entire Discord chat that I cannot add to a chat. So I don't know if you've got like it turned on private. I don't know what. Something. But I can't add you. I try to add you, but I can't. We are green on every account now, except for one boo-boo. There's the boo-boo. The Funding Ticks account that I bought today, she gone. She gone. She gone. She bit the dust. I didn't want to buy another eval. That's why I'm on Tim here. Although I do have this other eval that I'm trading up here. But I'll be completely honest with you guys. I did not pay for this eval that I'm trading up here. It was given to me. So I don't know, Pine Tree, but it will not let me message you for nothing. It won't let me add you to anything. Here, let me show everybody our DMs. Don't worry, I'll block out the pictures that you sent me. I'll block out the pictures that you sent me. Let's see if I can do it on here. He's got his profile set to F off. Oh. Yeah, I mean, if you guys want to send me the money, I'll expose the pictures. This indicator highlights the third candle, right? That's the point of highlighted. No, it's only highlighting inside bar. So whenever it prints inside the high and the low of the previous candle. So it makes it really easy to see here. So we've had one here. That one paid. This one failed. I took this one too. It failed. It only went 12 points. This one failed. That one paid, right? That one failed. I mean, they paid some points, but they, in general failed. That failed. But you don't really want to be taking them during the choppiness anyway. The first one, a lot of times the reason why I think the first one works so well is because typically it breaks towards the draw on liquidity. And when that happens, it's just a higher standard, F off is a standard for New England setting. Yeah. Get out of here. All right, here we go. Front running the 55 algo here. If this thing hits 195, I'm out. Oh, yours is highlighting the third bar? I don't know about that, Alexi. Not quite sure what that is. Exclamation point cash if you want to enter the giveaway. There's 355. Kind of a nothing burger. Kind of a nothing. Oh. Guys, we are playing poker tonight. Let me give you guys the link. We're going to be playing poker tonight with Cove. I don't know if Pine will be there or not, but we're doing it on Cove setting it up, and they got a link here. Where is it at? It is free. Cove's going to be giving away some free accounts for if you place. What up, slow boy? Good morning. Let me find it. I'm close to being stopped out here. Where's the link for the... anybody know where the link is? Hell, I don't see the link. Is this it? I think this is it. Okay. Here's the link. If you want to sign up to play poker with us tonight, hit that link. There you go. Yeah, it's in his Discord, but there it is. I posted it. I pinned it to the top. Used to use bar close and got the third candle highlighted. If I use on tick, it works fine. Interesting. Max is over here. Vroom. Almost stopped us out there. Didn't quite get us. Again, I need 95 to pass this. Oh, here we go. Come on, push it. I need 95 to pass. You've never figured out how to play poker? Slow boy, just jump in there, man. It's fine. You don't have to know how to play. Just, slow boy, pull up. You can pull up a... you can just have Chat GPT pulled up and just put your hand in there and say, I have King 6 of spades. What should I do? And Chat GPT will be like, you should raise 30% of the pot. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, we're playing Texas Hold'em, Trev. But yeah, you can either win. You got two options. You can either win a free account, or you can get some of Cove's bathwater, or Pine Tree is willing to fart in a jar and send it to you. It's completely up to you what you want to choose. No judgment. No judgment. I don't care what you do behind closed doors. It doesn't bother me. No judgment at all. You want the Pine Tree fart? All right, Andy. When I was a kid, poker 5-card stud. It's funny how, yeah. All right, who would take... Should we start a poll? Let's start a poll right quick. Pine's fart. Cove's bathwater. All right, go ahead and make your selection. Man, Moxie said, y'all nasty. Oh. Let's see who runs away with it here. No, free account, Jonathan. That's not an option here. You got two options. Never voted so fast in your life. Bashar, what was your vote, though? That's what I want to know. Last minute here. I'm going to put this to break even though it's a sim. Let's move it back to where my actual stop is. You draw the line at bathwater. Is it 50-50? Right now, Cove's bathwater is winning. I'm kind of surprised. Pine, nobody likes your farts, brother. There's 4 o'clock, guys. They eat a lot of seafood, so you expect the salty scent. Come on, give me the frickin' 95. Give me 95. I'm not asking for a lot. I just need 95. Smells like the ocean. Whoever gets the farts needs to Dutch oven themselves and film it. You haven't had a chance to try them out? You could go... You could... Uh-oh, here we go. Come on, get me out of this. Hey, if I could sell my bathwater and make some money off of it, I'd be all about it. All about it. The good old bathwater. You signed up for poker tonight? Let's go, Bob. Cove's bathwater is pulling away, guys. It's pulling away. We're going to draw for the free account here in just a minute. I'm trying to see if this thing can... Yeah, Trev, that's why I was on an eval and not really degenning in front of you guys today, because I just feel like the action's not that great. Come on, push it down. Can I get 195? What do you guys think? Going to be kind of hard to get through that 200 level. I may drag the stop down more. It's not an intraday trailing drawdown account, so I'm not really concerned if I do get stopped. I should be trailing. All right, slow boy. See if we can get through. We might be able to spike through the 200 here. All right, let's go. Come on, push it down. Come on. I might exit my eval. Hold on. I only need 4 points to pass. Come on. Today's been tough. You couldn't get anything going and basically wasted all my profits. That sucks, Pawn. Foul mouth. Yeah, he does. Jackson Hole. Yeah, you're not wrong. Today wasn't so bad for me. I did all right. I don't know. I did fine. I did paper hand some trades and I took some stupid trades, as we do. Guys, I'm getting a little... Come on. Push it through. So close, yet so far away. Yeah, I definitely had some degeneracy going on this morning. Back below 05, I'm going to trail down to 10. I've never been to Jackson Hole. Some days you step back afternoon like today, yeah. You ain't much half green banana, so I'm a bit constipated. Oh. Back below 05, I'm going to drop the stop in at 10. So I'm trying to wait for her. Or we might just get stopped out. I don't know. I'm going to drop the stop at 20. If we get back below 05, I'm going to drag it down to the swing. Let's see. Yeah, I try my best. That's all I can do. Pine Tree, were we not friends on Discord? Is that really the problem? Bro, how were you not my friend on Discord? That's rude. So rude. Pine Tree wasn't even my friend, guys. He hasn't even accepted it yet. Pine Tree, accept that friend request and get out here. I can't even hit you on here. Oh, 05, here we go. Should get it here. Let's see. Don't get too excited yet. Hold on. Don't get too excited. I still can't select him. A week finish today for sure. You're kind of impatient. You trade 10 points max, and sometimes I close 8 to 7. Yeah. I mean, no, I think that's fine, Bashar. I do the same thing. I do the same thing. Pine Tree runs through a cornfield backwards naked. It's a different constipation. Yeah. He's clogged up, but for a different reason. Oh, come on. Get me out of here. Get me out of this trade, bro. That's weird. Oh. I'm going to do the giveaway as soon as we're out of this trade, guys. Exclamation point cash in the chat. Exclamation point cash if you want to enter the giveaway. It's going to be an Apex any size evaluation account. That's what it's going to be. ES is nowhere near the low either, though. I guess we aren't either. Did ES sweep that wick? Nope, it double bottomed right at it. Double bottomed right at it. Poco Trades, what up? As soon as this trade is over, we're going to do the giveaway. There are too hard on rules to gamble for TPT. You'll gamble? Good chance of winning an account today. There's only 45 people in the giveaway. 44 actually. Trade Apex for TPT. I will, Captain Price, as soon as we hit the target. I have 3 150K accounts that I want to give away with TPT. But we need 30 more sales. You know the deal. I can only give what they give me. And they won't give them to me until I get 30 more sales. So as soon as we get 30 more sales, we'll do it. Now, I think we'll get there. I am leaving next Friday, so I really want to be there by next Thursday. You can see we need 30 more sales there. Look at Husk Trader over here trying to call me. You know when I'm busy? Yes, Husk, what can I help you with? I'm live on YouTube. Yeah, I'm streaming. Say hey to everybody.
Hello, everyone.
I don't think they can hear you. All right. Say what? I'm still in a trade. All right. See ya. He's like, why are you still streaming after 4? Sell 30 TPTs in a week. Easy, especially when someone buys 5. Yeah, it'd be nice. That'd be nice. I don't know if it's easy, but that is effectively 5 per day if we can get there. Well, actually, I guess that's like 4 per day, you know? You're in the lucky phase of the trade consolidation. Yeah, it's at least below my entry in my take profit, huh? Exactly. 6 by 5. 6 times 5 is 30. So I am thinking of throwing in a 12-hour stream at some point in the next week before I leave. I was thinking about doing it tomorrow, but I can't tomorrow because I'm doing the My Funded Futures thing. But maybe like Sunday morning into Monday. So like, well, Monday morning, 3 a.m. Might do a 12-hour stream on Monday. We'll see. Pine Tree, I was just trying to add you. I was trying to. Oh, I might get stopped. I was just trying to add you to this thing, but it's not letting me. I got stopped out, guys. But we still made quite a bit of money there. Let me see what I made on this other account. What do we make on this other account? $2,400. Not too bad. You want the Pine Tree farts? All right, I got you. I don't even know if Pine knows. I don't even know if he was listening when we were talking about that. Pine Tree, can you do me a favor? Can you fart in a bottle and send it to me? I'm going to use it as one of my my giveaway gifts. Are you good with that? He's good with that. He's fine. Fart in the bottle. Let me see here. Hold on. I'm going to try to add you this way. We'll do the drawing here. And if you're not in there in the drawing, we're doing it in 2 minutes. Exclamation point cash. Fart in a Moxie bottle. Farts can't be trusted. I mean, you know, I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I don't know how I do this. Okay. I don't know. Leave you out any and all kind of farts, Mad Moxie? You sure? Vibe with Loki. Are you in the giveaway yet, man? Vibe with Loki's making sure he's in there. Hold on, let me see. Let me see. Vibe with Loki, you are in there. Can I remove you? Hold on, let me see. Just kidding, Vibe. I would never do that. All right. Are y'all ready? You got 45 seconds to enter, and then we're drawing. Exclamation point cash in the chat. Free Apex evaluation, any size account. Any size account. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. I can't do it, Pine Tree. I tried. It's not letting me do it. Show user profile. Add friends to DM. Oh, wait, let's see. Hold on. Can we do it this way? Maybe I can do it this way. Hold on, let's see. Give me 1 second. Create group. Let's see. Hey, I did it. Hey, I did it. Here you go, Pine. There, that's Chris. That's the guy we were talking about. Well, I just figured it out now, Pine. Just figured it out. Obviously, you don't have to talk in my group. You can just message him. But I'm just saying. All right, let's do the giveaway. Eric's squeaking in just under the last second there to get in. Is Eric already in there? You're already in there, aren't you, Eric? Oh yeah, you were the first one in there, Eric. And the winner is dun, 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 dun. I wish I could play some music. Hold on, let's find some music right quick before we do the winner. Well, one more time. Oh, wait. Good enough. Good enough. The winner is... Oh, my God. How did that happen? Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? I'm telling you, this guy's just pooping like leprechaun stuff today. Leprechaun stuff for Showbit today. He got his first payout. Then he won an account earlier today. And now he wins the account later in the day. Showbit's got it going on today. He's turning into the next Angie. Angie? No, wait. Andy. TCG Andy. He's turning into the next Andy. Well, no need to verify you, Showbit. I'll just send you over a code in that same email for the free eval. He's using all his luck today. Yeah, but sure, he got his first payout and he won 2 accounts in the same day. Wow. Hey, don't knock it until you try it. Anywho. All right, guys, if you want to help support the channel, hit the like button. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. We're going to run down the stuff right now. You definitely need to buy a lottery ticket. Take Profit Trader, 40% off, code MM. All of these are code MM. My Funded Futures, Bulanox, Trade Day, Tradeify, Day Traders, Tick Tick, Funded Futures Network, Elite, Legends, Funding Ticks, Lucid, Prop Shop. Yeah, those are all MM if you want to use and help support the channel. Futures desk is MMM. They got a good deal going on now, and Apex is code MYTH, 80% off. Looks like a chop fest with a hair of bias to the short side, unless you were on the 1 or 2. Yeah, Thumper, is one of those days where like you had to enter the trade and hold. For example, like right here with me, I entered this trade, I held it for an hour, and then I just closed it down here somewhere, and then whoop, literally what, like 8-9 minutes after I closed the trade, it just ran right to the sell side where I thought it would go. The 152 area was my target. So it's just you just had to hold, right? You had to hodl. So, but anyways, guys, I don't think I'm gonna have a stream tonight unless it's the poker stream. So if you are interested in joining the poker, the link is above. Guys, let's check this out. Look at this. Look how close this was. At the end of the day, Pine Tree's fart is more popular than Cove's bathwater. All right. At the end of the day, that's just the way it goes. Cove's bathwater was no match for Pine Tree's fart. All right. You nasty people. You mean to tell me 24 people actually voted on that? Nasty people. Just kidding. You're my friends. All right. I'll see you guys next time.